So here we have a multi-plane roof that has the 4D roofing attached to it. So every segment of the multi-plane roof has individual linked 4D roofing objects. Here I am putting in a gable end. So using the multi-plane method where you can gable end section at a particular height, I've had to create a level. And in 3D, you can see I can select one side of the 4D roofing object, select that gable end and make it a full gable. I've added some angled slats and then I'll use the hotspot to find the bottom of the gable. Okay, this is how we do it. So first we want to be able to set out our multi-plane roof, tracing around the outside of the walls. I'll offset where we have flush eaves around this garage. So they will just move back 640. Then when I have higher brickwork, I calculate it like this. Send out a line at 25 degrees, which is my roof pitch, from the top of the plate. And then I just measure out from my pitching line through to that line, 550 mil. And now I know I just need to offset 550 mil with the pitching line on high brickwork. And then I just offset the eaves 500. And that way we can keep it all as a multi-plane roof. So I'll just rinse and repeat, do that same offset and adjust the eaves on all my overlaps. In this section, I've got a bit of high brickwork that's along a coplanar wall. So I've just offset that 550. And you can see there in section height is perfect with the roof. I'll just adjust those 2D items. And there we have it. Now we need to just pull that eave back so it's 500, just like everywhere else. And now let's have a look at the 3D valley. And you can see that needs to be fixed. We don't do valleys like that. So we'll just select that section there and we'll remove a piece of the multi-plane roof by just using the subtract from polygon method out of the pet palette. There we go. Go to 3D and you'll see that is showing as a returned bit of gutter. Now all I have to do is apply the 4D roofing. I'll just select that from the 4D library menu and bingo, all the roofing's added. But here I have a special hotspot that allows me to overlap the gutters. So we have a look in 3D and just get rid of that overhang. You can see, bang, we've got an excellent look there, and that is very hard to do with one bit of multi-plane roof. So here I've got the same thing. I will turn the layer back on for the 4D roofing, and in plan, I'll just get my hotspot. I'll line it up with the brickwork, remove the verge overhang, remove the barge board, and in 3D, that's all looking great. Okay, thanks for watching.